Ethical practices in finance are crucial for maintaining trust and integrity in financial markets. These practices enhance the reputation and credibility of financial institutions, attracting investors and clients. Additionally, ethical behavior ensures compliance with laws and regulations, helping to avoid legal penalties and actions that can harm the institution's standing. Key ethical principles in finance include transparency, accountability, and fairness. Transparency involves providing clear and accurate information to stakeholders, fostering trust. Accountability requires taking responsibility for financial decisions and actions, while fairness ensures that all stakeholders are treated equitably, promoting a just and reliable financial environment. Ethical challenges in finance include conflicts of interest, insider trading, and fraud. Conflicts of interest arise when personal interests interfere with professional duties. Insider trading involves using non-public information for personal gain, undermining market fairness. Fraud and misrepresentation are deceptive practices aimed at manipulating financial outcomes, which can severely damage trust in financial markets. Promoting ethical behavior in finance involves establishing strong corporate governance, implementing a clear code of ethics, and providing regular ethics training. Effective corporate governance structures oversee ethical conduct, while a code of ethics offers guidelines for behavior. Ethics training helps employees and management understand and adhere to these standards, fostering a culture of integrity and responsibility. Ethical practices in finance are fundamental for maintaining trust, enhancing reputation, and ensuring legal compliance. Key principles such as transparency, accountability, and fairness guide ethical behavior. Challenges like conflicts of interest, insider trading, and fraud must be addressed. Promoting ethical behavior requires strong corporate governance, a clear code of ethics, and regular ethics training to uphold high standards of integrity and responsibility.